had a baby recently, and this is how I cleared my pregnancy-induced hyperpigmentation. For the context, this is what my skin used to look like 9 months ago, and I want to show you the product I used to bring my skin to the state that it is now, using affordable products, obviously. Disclaimer, guys, I'm not a skin expert. What works for me might not work for you. So the first product on my list is this Salicylic acid gentle cleanser from Cosrx. It helps to remove impurities and take away excess oil. I love this, and I mean, this is 2025. Why are you still using soap to wash your face? No, we don't do that here. So the next product is this clarifying toner from Cosrx as well. I just put this on a cotton pad. Then I just use this to clean my face, because you know the cleanser cannot do all the job. You have to go in with the clarifying toner as well. You see the dirt we have on the cotton pad. This is a very important step. Then I go in with my rice niacinamide toner. I got this from TK Maxx, so and I just started using it, so I really cannot say much about this. I like to just press this onto my skin. I like to press this, and I layer this as well. I used to use the Korean rice toner. I've forgotten what it's called. It's a Korean brand, but like a rice toner. Is it rice milk? I'll put the picture here. I used to use that before, but I ran out of that, and I just didn't want to get it again, so I just went for this one. So I layer this. You can layer this as many times as you want. I just do like 2 layers because I like my face to be wet before I go in with other serums. So the next one is this advanced snail moussing from Cosrx as well. This gives me a plumpy and a soft skin. I just use a generous amount of this. I also go in with this hydrating lotion. I got this from Amazon. I love this as well. You see what this will do to my skin now. So just give me that glowy, hydrating skin. I don't know what this is called. I really cannot pronounce the name, but this is what it looks like. I got this from Amazon. So this one gives like a glass skin. So for me, I don't wait for my face to dry down before I apply the next serum, because I like it when my face is wet, and it just makes it easy to apply. And guys, don't forget to take your skincare products to your neck. Anything you put on your face goes on your neck as well. I also use this VitaminC serum from Cosrx as well. I'm a Cosrx girl, I'm sorry, because it's affordable and it gets the job. Any product that gets the job done, yeah, I'm for it though. I don't care about the price, because sometimes it's not always about the price. The next product I use is this marine collagen from mary&may. I got this from TK Maxx as well. You want that youthful glow now, eh? You want to be 50 but looking 25. That's what this collagen is for. Then the last serum that I use is this glow serum. It's got propolis and niacinamide. I really don't know what this brand is called, but this is what it looks like. I like to use this as the last product because this like seals that glow, like it seals it. For the eye gel, I use this brightening eye gel just for the dark circles. It's got like a rolling ball in it, so I just roll this all over my my dark circles. I just roll this all over my dark circles. For body wash, I use this Palmolive shower cream. See, take this from me. This shower cream is less than £3, I think. But see my skin. See. Can you see? See my skin. It is this shower cream. I bought one popular one. I don't want to mention that popular one that was all over the internet last year. It did not work for me. This one, this £3 shower cream, worked for me. See my skin. See it. See my skin. See. Like, it really did work. If you're an affordable girl like me, babe, get this. Then I seal it to this Aveeno body oil. This one too, I love, and it smells really nice. When I'm going out, I use my sunscreen just to protect my face, but when I'm in the house, I don't use it. I know skincare routine can be overwhelming for some people, but trust me, when you start, you get used to it. With consistency, you'll achieve that desired skin result. If you find this video helpful, please drop a red heart in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.